Good afternoon, students. Yesterday we have done complete that sixth chapter, both exercises. Today we will start this extra question of this chapter. Some extra questions we will discuss today, right? So first question is given: if two angle measuring 3x minus 15 degree and x plus 5 degree are complementary. What is the meaning of complementary? If two angles are complementary, then their sum is 90 degree, right? So we will take these two angles sum that is equal to 90 degrees. So how we will do? 3x minus 15 plus x plus 5 is equal to 90 because of complementary angles. Because complementary angle sum is 90. Okay, because sum of complementary angles. So now we will add these two. 3x plus x, 4x minus 10 is equal to 90. 4x is equal to 90 plus 10. 4x is equal to 100. X is equal to 100 by 4, that is 25. Okay, x value came 25. Now we have to find these two angles. So first angle is 3x minus 15 degree. 3 into x value is 25 minus 15. 25 3s are 75. 75 minus 15 60 degrees. So first angle is of 60 degree. Second, x plus 5. X is 25. 25 plus 5, that is 30 degrees. So two angle came. One angle is of 60 degree. Other angle is of 30 degree. That we have to tell two angles. Okay. So again I am telling, if two angle given, that is complementary, and if complementary angles are given, then their sum is 90 degree because of complementary angle sum is 90. So we will add these two angle and take equal to 90 degree. From there we will find the value of x, that is 25 degree came. So put this x value in the first angle and second angle both. In first angle, whenever we will put x 25 degree, then 75 minus 15 60 degree came, and whenever we will put in the place of x plus 5, then 25 plus 5 30 degree came. Right, I hope this question first part understand to all of the students. Now we will discuss second part of this. What is the second part? Two angle measure is this and this. Two angle is given. One is 55 degree plus 3x and other is 115 degree minus 2x, right? If each angle is supplement of each other, if two angles are given that are supplementary of each other, means these two angles sum is equal to 180 degree, right? If two angle sum is given complementary, then their sum is equal to 90 degree. So now we will start the solution. Suppose this is angle 1. Angle 1 equal to 55 plus 3x. Angle 2 is equal to 115 minus 2x. Okay? And both angle are supplement of each other, means angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree because of angle are supplementary angles, है ना? Supplementary angle sum is 180 degree, right? Angle 1 is 55 plus 3x and angle 2 is 115 minus 2x is equal to 180 degree, right? So 3x minus 2x x and 115 plus 55, I think 170, and 5 or 5 10, 5 or 1 6 or 1 7, yes, is equal to 180. X value equal to 180 minus 170, that will be 10. X value came now 10. Now we will put this x value in angle 1. So what will be the angle 1? Angle 1 is equal to 55 plus 3x, right? 55 plus 3, x value is 10. 55 plus 30, that is 85 degrees. So angle 1 is equal to 85 degree. And in the same way we will find angle 2. Angle 2 is equal to 115 minus 2x. Okay? 115 minus 2x value is 10. 115 minus 20. Right? So what we left? 95. ठीक है, this is the angle 2. Now both angle came and both angle are supplement of each other because their sum is, check once, their sum is 180 or not. 95 plus 85. 5 or 5, 10, 9 2s are 18. 180 came na. It means both are supplement of each other, right? So I think again I am telling this question. Two angles are supplement of each other given me. It means that two angles sum is equal to 180 degree, that we will take. Suppose this is angle 1 and this is angle 2 I have considered. After that their sum is 180 degree because both are supplement of each other, right? So 55 plus 3x plus 115 minus 2x is equal to 180 given. So x value will come from this side 10 degree, right? Now put this x value in angle 1 and angle 2 both. So in angle 1 whenever we will put 55 plus 3x, x value is 10. So 55 plus 30, that will be 85 degree, and in the same way we will put in angle 2, that is 115 minus 2x, 115 minus 2, x value is 10. 20, 115 minus 20, that is 95. Both angle came, one is 85 and other is 95, and their sum is 180 degree. It means that they are supplement of each other. Right, now we will do next question. In this adjoining figure, means in this figure, what value of x will make angle AOB a straight line? Means which value of x will be of there that it will become a straight line, right? So suppose this is angle 1, same this is angle 2, right? Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair. Right, two angle sum is 180 degree, they are linear pair. Angle 1 is 3x plus 10 and angle 2 is 2x minus 15 is equal to 180 degree. 3x plus 2x, 5x, 10 minus 15 minus 5 is equal to 180 degree. 5x is equal to 180 plus 5. X is equal, 5x is equal to 185. X is equal to 185 by 5. ठीक है, 5 3s are 15, 35, 5 7s are 35. ठीक है, so x value equal to 37 degree came. Now put this x value in angle 1 and angle 2, it is not in degree, right? So angle 1 is equal to 3x plus 10. Put the x value here, 3 into 37 plus 10. 7 3s are 21, 2, 3 3s are 9, 10, 11. 111 plus 10, that is 121 degree, that is angle 1, right? This is angle 1 came. Now angle 2, 2x minus 15. 2 into x value is 37 minus 15. So 74 minus 15. What will come? 14 minus 5, 9, 59 degree, right? So 121 plus 59, 9 or 110, 0, 1, 5 or something, right? Their sum is 180 degree came. So angle 2 equal to 59 degree came and angle 1 is equal to 121 degree came. Both sum is equal to 180 degree. It means that they form a straight line. So what is the x value? X value is 37 degree, that both angle will come 121 and 59 and their sum is 180 degree, means they form a straight line, right? So again I am telling, this figure is given to us, that is 3x AOC and COB, two angles are there. Their sum is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair, and then we will find the value of x. 3x plus 10 plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 180. 5x minus 5 is equal to 180. 5x is equal to 185. X value came 37 degree. Now put this x value in angle 1 and angle 2 both. So x value we will put 2x in the place of x. 37 minus 15, it will become 74 minus 15, 59 degree, and in angle 1, 3x plus 10, 3 into 37 plus 10, 37 3s are 111 plus 10, that is 121. So 121 plus 59 is 180 degree. So it form a straight line. So what will be the value of x? That is 37. I hope this question understand to all of the students, right? Only one more question we will discuss now. In the adjoining figure is given two lines AB and CD intersect at O. Two lines are there, AB and CD. They are intersect at point O. Find the value of x. X value we have to find, and angle AOC. This angle we have to find, and COB. This angle we have to find. These two angles we have to find. Okay. So how we will do the solution? देखो, same AOB is a straight line, so angle this OD is a fallen on it, so angle this plus this equal to 180 degree because of linear pair. So angle AOD plus angle AOB plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair. ठीक है ना, this angle plus this angle sum is 180 degree because of linear pair. Angle AOD is 3x minus 16 and angle BOD is x. X plus 3x, 4x is equal to 16 will go in this side, it will become 196. X is equal to 196 by 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 9s are 36. 49 x value came 49, है ना. Now put this x value in this, then angle AOD will come 3x minus 16. 3 into 49 minus 16. What will come? 9 3s are 27. 2 4 3s are 12 or 2 147 minus 16. 7 minus 6 1. 4 minus 1 31. So first one angle is 131 and x value that is 49. So 49 plus 131 that is 180 degree, right? So this angle is 49. This is also 49. This is 131. So this is also 131 degree. So angle AOC equal to angle BOD because of vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles are equal. AOC, what is the value of AOC? 49. So angle BOD is also 49. ठीक है, BOD is already given, AOC is 49, right? Sorry for that. AOC equal to 49 degree because BOD we have find 49 degree. The same way BOC equal to AOD. Vertically opposite angles are equal, है ना. AOD we have already find that is 131 degree. So angle BOC is also equal to 131 degree. Right? I hope this question understand again, but I am telling, देखो, this angle and this angle sum is 180 degree because of linear pair. So 3x plus 16 plus x equal to 180. From there we will find x value is 49. Now put this x value here, 3x minus 16. That AOD angle will come, that is 131 degree and x came 49 degree. So these two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. AOC equal to BOD. BOD is 49 degree. So that's why AOC is also 49 degree, है ना. And AOD is equal to 131 degree. So that's why BOC is also 131 degree. These only we have to find. Okay, I hope these three questions understand too also. Tomorrow we will discuss more question of this chapter, right? So thank you very much for watching this video.